ready to receive, rain down on me. I bless you, Mother Earth, with my feet on the ground, standing strong and steady, the place where strength can be found. I bless your Father, Son, let your light shine through me. Show me all your wisdom, set me out and be free. Embrace me wisdom, embrace me character, embrace me beauty, embrace me love. The place where I will be, embracing all of me, the place that I call home, one with me. Beautiful life, set me free, and stream fall through me, one with all, never alone. I call home, I come home, I am home. Rain down on me with your blessings so free, ready to receive.